Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to color the pictures. Let's start. Let's color the pictures accordingly. A red crab. Let's color the crab in red color. A red color crab. A brown bear. Let's color the bear in brown color. Brown color bear. A black bat. Let's color the bat in black color. A black bat. Black color. A blue boat. Let's color the boat in blue color. Yellow color, a yellow bus. Let's color the bus in yellow color. Yellow color bus, yellow color. A green turtle. Let's color the turtle in green color. A green turtle. Green color. Red crab. Red color. A brown bear. Brown color. A black bat. Black color. A blue boat. Blue color. A yellow bus. Yellow color. A green turtle. Green color. Well done kids, you're doing great. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.